Live streaming already. Good morning.
Yeah. I just click the live stream. Let me change.
Now I can hear your typing.
Yeah.
Can you say something, bro?
I say something. Can you hear?
Yeah. Now I can hear you clearly. Yes.
Yeah.
It's good. It's a good thing. Bitcoin is 112 now.
Yeah, it's go down this week. It's go up in the
But that's
middle of the
okay.
week. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's significant.
It's kind of like in the past, it always goes up on Tuesday, right? After Tuesday. Now it's like it started to go down. When I saw the chart, when did it go down? I think it came down a few days ago.
Yeah, it's go down on
It started
22nd,
to
2
go
days
down
ago.
on.
Yeah, on this weekend. On the previous weekend.
So now it's telling us, oh, it's Monday. I give you time for you to react, so I go down now.
Yeah. But the markets look like it is bullish for the price go up. However, the so that the liquidity for the long short is still trying to sweat all the long activity. That's why it's have a pressure. Because that would
I think recently because of the U.S. bonds and all those, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I wonder if Trump is desperate for money right now. Yeah. It seems like that's the case.
Yeah, look like the Fed last week Fed announced to reduce interest rate. So after the news, the good news, the price of Bitcoin go up, and then people feel very sad about it. Uh, we can see all the altcoin flying up a lot, especially the BNB. Uh, this Bitcoin BNB go to let me BNB. Now BNB cross 1,000.
Are we on live right now?
Yeah, we are online. We're on live. You can hear the live stream
Live
is
already.
on. So let me check.
I think all those the ups and down right now, they are like between 6 to 7% for coins, or even 9%. Yeah. So at some point, in some coins, they're probably just slightly above 10% or something like that. The movement. Yeah, it may seem a little bit small, but it's still quite a margin to get. Yeah. But of course, the recent happenings in the effect is still not for any investors.
Yeah.
So I don't think that they will have a major move, or major dip right now. Yeah, so I think it's still acceptable. Yeah,
Yeah, that's right.
it gives people a room to play with the marginal difference in price so that they can make some money. Yeah, I think that's a good thing.
Let me show you the price of Bitcoin for a month, so you can see this Bitcoin beginning of September. A lot of people expect the price of the Bitcoin September will going down. Yeah, because it look like the September September first. Some people usually say that all the price usually go down in September, uh, because it's the last month of the phase three. The 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 third quarter of the year. So that if the
Yeah.
price is roll down, is beginning on the fourth quarter of the years, then we will see how the price is go up dramatically on on the end of this year's 2025, because we have a lot of data about the Fed rate cut and the fixed rate loan. Normally, when the Bitcoin price go down, the loan percentage will go down too. But now it's different. When the price go down, the loan percentage is still maintain high. Yeah. So with me, I think this correction is a healthy correction, and it's good for the market. Um, the more it's going down, the better the price go up. Bitcoin may could climb back 120,000 soon, because now we see Bitcoin price have a time reach 118, 20, nearly 20, and I think it should climb back again as 120 and could reach a new all-time high. And now back to some of the news, some of the information based on our slide. We have the Bitcoin could join gold in the central bank reserve, say at Deutsche Bank. Yeah, this photo is PBS. I think the the writer took the photo from Singapore. Then we,
Live more, bank less.
yeah, uh, this
To all live
one,
more. Yeah,
yeah,
I
yeah,
think this slogan is good.
yeah. Bitcoin could charge gold
Even
in the central bank reserve. Uh, uh,
ironically, it comes from a bank,
yeah,
which is telling people to bank less.
yeah. The bank expect Bitcoin volatility to continue decline as a regulatory framework solidify across the major market. And the Deutsche Bank analysts they have released a research comparing Bitcoin current trajectory to a gold history and adopt back. And we see the bank expect the Bitcoin's volat- volatility to continue decline as a regulatory framework. Yeah. And I hope in the near future, yeah, Bitcoin has potential at the 21st century gold. Yeah, we also see the gold price also go up this moment. Yeah, uh, gold price CNBC. We also see the gold price now. nearly 4,000, 3,008 is around 3,008. Yeah. I still remember last time is around 2000, 2008. Yeah, now it's good by it get we say it's get the high profits. Yeah, nearly 20, 20%. Here's the gold price. Last 3 months. Last 3 months. If we compare last 3 months, the beginning of September, we see gold price around 3,004 per ounce, and now it's reached to 3,007. Yeah. Now the money flow from the other market go to the gold. We see, uh, we in my own opinion, gold will go back to will go to 4,000 also. Also can go climb to the 4,000 soon. Uh, in the end of this year, of course, Fed will cut the interest rate more, and then money will flow into uh, the other asset. Yeah, here's a Fed cuts to we see the here the Fed will here expected that on the 29th October, Fed will cut more, um, 25 points percentage interest rate, and we see this is a 93% expect that the Fed will cut the interest rate. Only 7% expect that it still remain. Yeah, that's why we see Fed will cut more 25 points on uh, on October, and December will do more 25 points, so that we see the first Fed will cut slowly every time 25 points, and next year 2026 Fed the percentage is still there. Um, Fed the next year on the 26, the percentage will maintain at 350 to 375 still there. And we also can expect that in the end of this year, Fed will cut more, fifth point totally. Yeah, we uh, we will see how the price of everything grow dramatically. Oh, now we see a lot of market um, flying there. Some the other uncalled because we only focus on Bitcoin, but we don't know the uncalled. We see some of the uncalled system. Let's we show you the fear index neutral. Yeah, it's still neutral because have a correction. Yeah, 40, but the uncalled system. Yeah. Uh, I see the unconsistent receipt is also go to 78 to 80 on last 4 days when the people feel excited after the fact cut all the uncoin fly a lot. Let me show you all the Aster, the IP, the Banggood, MNT,
This
some of the
very
yeah,
very clear and nice chart for allow people to understand
yeah,
or the very clear glimpse of the performance of all these altcoins. That's a very good
yeah,
chart.
yeah. Because we see here the Bitcoin have the percentage only 4.55% go up, over 90 days. Yeah. If we keep the Bitcoin over 90 days, we have only 4.56% earning. But some of the uncommon like Flocky, like Cake, and some of the other altcoins we see over 90 days, the percentage will go up a lot. Like some of the new one, this one the answer. So I see a lot of people share about the answer, the IP. Yeah. Okay, feel so thank you. Yeah. Some of the altcoin before we entering in, we must do the research a lot and let's see
Mm.
how the other. Oh, the tone is still cheap. Go down. The bump still go down. Yeah. Sky jump go down a lot. Oh, the pie cost 56 or 42% below
Mm.
the
But
yeah
I was making quite some news at some time back, right? Oh, now it's like the biggest because they are
yeah
the bottom, right?
yeah they're the bottom percentage change over the last over the next day. Yeah, never
Yeah.
mind the encore. We think if we want to play safe, we should do the DCA with the some of the encore. And of course, we some of the encore fly up and we can earn a little bit from that. Uh, back to the news information. I guess some of the news data from for Bitcoin only. Yeah. Uh, with the latest news, we see uh, backlog crypto ETF generate the 260 million annual return. Yeah. Backlog is one of the largest um, uh, fund to uh, in, investment fund. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good news for them. Yeah, let me add this one into our slide. Yeah. This one, this copy is good news to adopt. We also can have some of the good news from the Telegram channel. Yeah. If if we Telegram channel, this channel, let's try this channel. I see this channel, TikTok, and here is this channel. With this one, I also have the information from our service channel, like automatic. This is this they they get the data from Commodity Cap and from the other news source to get this. U.S. President candidate VK Yamasa crypto policy on this new blockchain. Yes, politics. Vitalik Buterin endorsed Coinbase, L2Base, Ethereum founder Trade doing things the right way. Senator Loomis pushed for again Bitcoin safeguard to the campus and crypto millionaire as a high record. This means that within this time, a lot of course, a lot of crypto millionaire born because we see uh, so many assets if we hold and we can get the profits. Yeah, that's why regulator will come out to control to manage this crazy market. Yeah. Here's the top 10 fastest growing blockchain of the years. Uh, in my own opinion, there's also have the DeFi, something like that. DeFi, NFT, uh, this ranking, Solana, yeah, top 10 fastest growing blockchain. We see the Solana, we see the near protocol, number two, number three, BNB, uh, and number four, base uh, belong to Coinbase. Yeah, base is blockchain base.
So now they
Okay,
decided to
so
just use the word
yeah, this chart is compare the top 10 fastest blockchain. Number six is Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin blockchain. Number seven, Aptos, APT, yeah. The I forgot this sticker Aptos. Number eight, Ethereum, yeah. Ethereum sometimes is go not as expectation of people because the some the other Uncoin blockchain go up faster than Ethereum because now Ethereum is still look like left behind. However, Ethereum still a giant in this crypto market. Polygon, Matic, last time is we call it is a Matic. Yeah, offer multi-chain scaling. Yeah, is also good. Some of the application still based on is like the poly market, yeah, based on the polygon. Uh, and next is Arbitrum, ARP, also still potential, yeah. It's a leading Ethereum layer 2, yeah, will offer faster, cheaper transaction, uh, inherit Ethereum security, Arbitrum. And this one is, yeah, we also see the end of we reach the end of this article. Yeah. Top 10 is also the good article. I think I will collect this one. If you want to use the slide information, you can see our encryption. Top 10, top 10 is this one. Copy this. Oh, maybe this one, the photo is still so large.
fastest growing blockchain of the year.
Yeah,
I think for the next 2 3 years, there'll be a lot of focus on the blockchain itself. Yeah.
yeah,
So even though there's a lot of things about blockchains being talked about, but I think the next 2 3 years, because we are at the like transition, or rather we are at the cusp of this AI, the between using AI and between using AI nearly for everything, that kind of thing.
yeah,
Yeah, because right now AI is risen to a point where people just can't ignore. It's like, okay, we all know blockchain is the one that is behind the cryptocurrency and all, but there's so much more you can do with blockchain. So now, how about multi-using blockchain for like nearly everything in your life? Very much like each time you go down on the computer or your phone, you start to use AI to find out. the
Yeah,
Google
that's
AI
right.
to find out all the things that you want to know.
Last time we tried with Google, and now this time we tried the AI first. However, some of the answer from the AI still need to improve because last time I
Yeah,
asked the AI some of the questions, but they give the wrong information about it.
yeah.
Yeah,
This basically it's all about machine learning. So for some AI, the more info, I think for Google and all, the more info you put in, the slightly more accurate answer they will give you, or rather the more correct answer they will give you according to what you think it is or according to what you want. But there's this term called big big data. What is the word? Uh, Big data more something, you know,
yeah,
uh, their accuracy versus small data, big accuracy, something like that. So right now we are in between of the two. Yeah. So now you still have to use a huge chunk of data just to churn out a small amount of a certain level of accuracy in the information you want. But I think that should be the past very soon.
yeah, that's right. And I also found the news about the E-Trade. E-Trade is one of the largest uh, client. That's mean in the in the Morgan Stanley. Yeah, it's a choice platform uh, from Morgan Stanley, and now they add the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana in their expansion, yeah, in the trading platform. Yeah, it's also good news because now Morgan Stanley for a long time we see they are trying to say Bitcoin this and Bitcoin that, Bitcoin not good, but because of the profits now they add this into their trading platform. Yeah, that is the thing I want to share. Copy this and then you add this. Uh, picture how to copy image. Copy image. I use this image now. Let me uh, let me show you
Yeah.
more detail about this information. Sometime in 1 week, within 1 week, there's a lot of news about the crypto market, yeah, about crypto
Hmm.
and everything. Yeah, that's why we try to summarize and cover up this one. Yeah, that's why we use the tool to connect information from the good source and let the people here to discuss. I want to see this one like the latest news also from Deutsche Guru. We see some benefit also good money from prison. Oh, this FTX is USDT issue had a 620 billion at 5 billion value, making the most value drop alongside OpenAI. Uh, bring more money. CFTC allows stablecoin to collateral in the US. Oh, this is also the good news because uh, uh, based on the big beautiful bill, yeah. Now they U.S. government the want to reduce the the debt. Yeah, trillion about 36 nearly 40. 3 trillion debt. So they issue the stable coin at the collateral. Yeah. This is thanks for the big beautiful bill from Donald Trump. Yeah. His Federal Reserve Chair Powell said that Fed is well positioned follow the debt cut last week. Yeah. And Fed Chair Jerome Powell said uncertainty over the inflation path remain high. This is
I
the
think with
some
Trump there for the next 3 years,
yeah
with Trump there for the next over. So the uncertainty will continue to be there because he
yeah
tends to just throw out a policy and then suddenly he flip and says ABC, the next day say CDE,
yeah
EFG, that kind of thing. So it creates a lot of for major investors. I think that's why this period. I think I mean if I'm the big institution, I'll just stick to what anything that makes me good money right now.
yeah
Because Trump's policy so much has carry so much uncertainty. Yeah, yeah. So in fact, recently I think it was just a couple of weeks ago that India said, "Oh, India among BRICS nation, India is like closest friend to the US, but even India is telling the BRICS nation, "Oh, in my currency, no problem." Yeah,
yeah.
they probably had enough.
And now I go to see our demo portfolio. This is the portfolio. We do the DCA weekly, $10 each. Now in the portfolio so good in the profits. Yeah, let me keep buying each 10 each of this, and after that we will connect a live stream in early morning. Yeah. If you have any question, please let us know, and remember to subscribe our channel. Give us a like. Yeah, thank you very much. Mr. Nicholas, you want to
Yeah,
say
uh,
something?
yeah. So it seems like more problem Trump creates, the stronger Bitcoin market can move, right? I mean, it seems like the case, Each time they have some swinging here and there, you see Bitcoin either stabilizing or moving up. Then there's a bit, it's just a bit kind of thing. So there's just something to highlight on the trust, or rather on how much people fear, or rather how much weight the Trump administration is laying down. Yeah, for people in the US, I'm not too sure, but for people around the world, like if they don't like Trump, they'll just move away from dealing with Trump, or they just not listen to Trump. So that's how much power he has has left. For example, the Brazil, one of the countries in BRICS. So they wanted to jail the former president for plotting a coup, right? Yeah. So uh, Trump would like tell them, "Oh, this guy is my friend. Please don't jail him or something. If not, I will sanction you some more." Something to that extent. But they just go ahead and jail the guy, jail the former president, 27 years. Yeah. And then now they are sending they're saying what, oh, his son is getting into trouble as well. So these things are telling us uh, uh, the US may be very big, very powerful, but people has less skill less fear, It's like, okay, you do what you want. We have a lot of options right now. So we can don't need to use the US dollar. We can don't need to do a lot of things because we have a lot of friends, a lot of friends in the East or around the world. So we don't have to. So this is the situation right now. Yeah. So for us, anybody that's trading, investing crypto, even for now, when you look at altcoins and say, oh, we can invest in all this, but just bear in mind, some of those altcoins, they are the people behind them are based in US as well. So as we look at all these coins, remember to do your own due diligence, so that you don't shortchange yourself. So of course, yeah, there's still a lot of coins out there. Like earlier on, Mr. Richard showed us a chart, one green chart, and then at the bottom is red color. That chart is a very good indication. For me, I would like choose somewhere in between the green ones, to look at, so that I don't go to the extreme, you know, safe trading. Yeah, we have safe trading. Yeah.
I also don't
So
know what's
at the end of the
happening.
day, sorry.
Happening with the Coleco. I also cannot find this. Maybe,
Oh
maybe
yeah, it seems
because
like you're struggling there.
it look like it keep not in the side. Yeah. I
Oh,
also
okay.
afraid.
Just like
Yeah, yeah. It keep blocking in the side. Then I must stop this. After that, I click on the buy, and I also cannot click the and add. I also cannot click on add this one. And okay, uh, yeah. The next bar also the same thing. It's keep nothing. I also don't know what's
thankfully,
happening.
this is just only the demo account,
Yeah.
right?
Maybe the site has a little bit issue with this. Luckily, I just stopped the thing. Here, here is automatically loaded. Yeah. I also think it's a time for us to complete a live stream this early morning. Uh,
Right,
I will
definitely.
I end the live stream soon, but I intend to end after I finish buying the PCA. Um, so I have three
Or
more.
still can't. After you complete that transaction, did it happen?
I
Did it
I
add
still
inside?
can add there, but I need to click on the stop it loading. Maybe it's
Ah,
there's a trigger to keep the drive fresh. Uh, uh, so, yeah, yeah. Because guys now this now is for 0.3 get 10 15 Canada. Yeah. The Canada now we can buy 13 one. Happy true. But just now we also set out the ARP so potential five. Yeah, think, it's nearly yeah, okay. Now I finish keep buying. Oh, why is that acting? Sometimes why the oh is unexpected. Yeah, and I understand why what happened in this one. 24 this month. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let me check again the percentage on the thing. Yeah, maybe the there's issue with the side when nothing, it think it keep nothing a lot. Uh, okay, we finished our lecture this morning. If you have any question, please let us know. Yeah, thanks to join